The IRM can be placed in a similar fashion to amalgam, and in fact we would like the IRM consistency to be fairly sturdy or thick so that it's rolled into a small ball, and then using a plastic shaped instrument we can start to place the IRM into the cavity preparation and use a condenser to carry it into the proximal box. The resistance is helpful in assuring that we develop the tightness of the proximal contact. So IRM mixed very, very thick is the best and will be the most durable. IRMs mixed thick can last literally for a couple of years. Mixed thin, the IRMs wear out much more quickly. If they're runny and sticky, it's much more difficult to handle. We've got a great deal of excess here, and we would turn now to our Premier carver to develop the occlusal anatomy. Using the cone shape of the Premier carver, we have the opportunity to develop our grooves and our primary anatomy quite easily. Moving from central groove outward to maintain a condensation against the cavo surface margins. And keep in mind the triangular ridges. Generally best to leave a small amount of excess, which we can carve after the IRM sets. And by the way, IRM sets better in a moist environment, but we wouldn't want moisture contamination at this point of placement. And that completes the preliminary condensation of the IRM. We'll now wait for set, and then we'll do a final carve and check of occlusion.